we're here with the brightest girls in halfway tree right now. What now?
What kind of cappings, bro?
No.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
No capping, man. No one said not the brightest one.
Ooh, hey.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Alright, so me there the brightest youth in a halfway tree. Can do your thing. Force. YouTube! Look over there. Duttyboiilee there in the place. Look over there. Show them over there. Look over there. Half a tree over there. Them things are in a forward. Half a tree call we have answer the phone. Over there, one Duttyboiilee. Make sure everybody are subscribed, like up the video them. Season 2, Duttyboii Street Challenge. More see who can answer them questions. Because I give you 10 grand in the place. Today. Me I look around for the people. Me I look around for the people. Me not see nobody was smart. Right now we are go straight tonight. You ready? You ready? You ready? Forward. In front of pavilion. I'm here with the brightest boys and the brightest girl. I just want you to introduce yourself and show them your socials.
Michaela, show us at least one care about this.
MJ, of course you don't know, say on Instagram, force_that MJ, you don't know the thing said. Rax Kishian _
What's my name? Kevin William, the social. You don't even remember? Never social.
Alright, so we're there with the brightest youth in half a tree right now. Why introduce yourself, bro? Shout out the social.
One DJ, social is at DWXGHTTT_.
My name is Chani and my name is Sean Philip on TikTok.
Alright, so my name is Mars and my name, I don't know who Mars is on TikTok.
Yeah man, I don't know what do you know. One and only.
Alright, so I'm Tyrese Coley, socials MasterChef Coley, MST-chef_Coley.
My name is Carlton and I big up the whole Jamaica and thing, big up place and thing, Manchester, you see it.
See him with Manchester, I'm so forward. Watch your style here. First question. What starts with T, ends with T, and only has T in it?
Oh, so what begins with T, ends with T and only have T in it?
Yeah.
What starts with T, end with T and have T in it?
Yeah. Titi.
You don't know.
Titi.
Start with T, end with T. Titi.
Titi.
No little brightness.
No brightness.
What starts with T, ends with T, and only has T in it? T.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
T.
T.
Yeah, TNT.
TNT.
Yeah.
Like the show.
No, like the thing itself, the bomb.
TNT.
Yeah.
Bomb. May I give you one more chance? Wrong. What starts with T, ends with T, and only has T in it?
T.
No.
What starts with T, ends with T, and only has T in it?
Start with T, and end with T and only that, the one with a T, the one letter T.
This is the question again. What starts with T, ends with T, and only has T in it?
Start with T, end with T. Tit.
Shut up your mouth, man.
What starts with T, ends with T, and only has T in it?
You know, say, start with T and end with T. One good question that says, you know. Well, let me think about it. You know, say, I don't know.
What starts with T, ends with T, and only have T in it?
Start with T, end with T, and only have T in it. I don't know what it.
Boy, if you don't
John knows, sorry. Look like I want whole year to think about that.
You don't know that one day?
No, I will have to think about it.
What starts with T, ends with T, and only has T in it?
No, I don't know that. I don't know that.
Titi. T.
Titi.
Just T.
T the end with A.
What?
A fool, she said to me.
Just T.
That me I say.
Just the letter T.
Yeah, just the letter
Yes,
T.
just the letter T.
Supposed to tell her that wrong.
T where drink, that was a T.
T where drink.
Yeah.
No A, T, N with. T-E-A. No so T spell. It have to end with T, you know. You make your girl my laugh off here, bro. Come in, bro. You know, want 5 grand go show off on them gear 2 KFC and say, so come here, what start with T, end with T, and only has T in it. Tit.
Yeah.
Tit have T in it.
It have tea in there, like the tea that you can drink. No, I don't understand what you say.
But starts with T, ends with T, and only has T in it.
Yeah.
It's an item.
I mean, I ask the question, them, bro.
T.
There's a letter T, not T.
What start with T, end with T, and only have T in it?
T, bro, T.
T.
Start with T, only have T in there.
The letter T.
Yeah.
You know that one there?
No, I don't know that one. Give me the next one, dog. I have no idea.
No teapot, man.
I'm tell her teacup, but I did free. I didn't know.
Cup with tea.
A tea. Titi.
A teacup or something. With tea.
Teacup?
Yeah, teacup.
The letter T. That wrong.
So, oh, go on then. Oh, that wrong.
The answer is teapot.
You know,
So teacup and teacup and
teapot and teacup are the same thing, brother.
How? Hold on, bro. How? How you? I'm saying how? Like, talk to me, bro.
Alright, second question. Which body part, no matter how much time you wash it, it still smells? But you lad.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Which body part, no matter how much time you wash it, it still smells?
Whoa. Well, part me know stinking around this, you know.
Stop. What do you mean by that?
Which body part, no matter how much time you wash it, it still smells?
Your arm.
I beg your pardon?
Your arm. Your body well, brother.
Something alright? Something alright, yeah.
Which body part, no matter how much time you wash it, it still smells?
When I got that, man, intestine.
So explain that to me, baby. What is? Batty wall.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What you say? Him say arm, and him say that thing I go with?
No. My body wellness thing.
Stop it. Get some help.
Someone know about that one. My body wellness thing. My arm.
Where's Ella? Where's the bomb? Ella say mouth. Where is it?
Foot or body.
Batty wall.
Which body part, no matter how you wash it, it still smells?
Which body? Nose.
Your nose. We know that one there. I don't want your nose, so.
Nose? Yeah. Uncle, you're bright, man.
You can't tell me, bro. He's nose.
Alright, you charge your help, but me give that one, the one that you there. Your nose, man. Your nose still smell. No matter how much time you wash it. Which body part, no matter how much time you wash it, it still smells?
Your nose. Tell me I'm smart, dog.
Somebody tell you say you're the brightest in half a tree right now, man.
Yeah, push it.
No, No, come on.
That's what that's not half a tree, bro.
Alright, last question. Last question.
Don't forget this stuff. Yeah, my moral support. Yay!
Look at the moral support. Alright, last question. What has to be broken before it becomes useful?
What has to be broken before it get useful?
Yeah.
Am I admit did I say that's all I got to?
What has to be broken to be useful?
I will call something there. That break stick something there. When you break it, it glow. You know, like, I train a dog. You know what I talk about, man?
That's a good answer, you know. Me give a half mark for that, and that me I look for. What has to be broken to be useful?
Me that's the money.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
What has to be broken to be useful?
What has to be broken to be useful? What has to be broken? No, some no.
You know that one there?
You have to break up the money if you use it, no?
Me give a half mark for that. I know that me I look for. It's a good answer, that's still no, but half mark. What has to be broken to be useful?
Broken but useful.
Yeah.
Can't understand.
It have to broke before you can use it.
Me no know.
You do the egg.
Okay.
See what I say?
Yeah, man.
You have to break the egg for use
right.
it. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
That is it, man. Go on again. What has to be broken to be useful?
Egg.
Ah, Theo. Remember your chef, you know, me think you'll get that easy first.
What me have to broke for use it?
So you don't say your heart? Like your heart has to be broken before you can use it?
No. What me have to broke? What me have to broke? Broke so me can use it?
Yeah, it has to be broken before it's useful.
Before it's useful, no dog. Help me know where you think it is. Bro, where you can broke? You have to broke it before you use it.
That one there's a good answer still. Make you a half mark for that, but none of that me I look for.
It close to that?
Yeah, maybe.
Think again, dog. What could that cost to uncle?
What has to be broken before it's useful?
Weird egg!
This me tell you say you're the brightest man. You talk about me a cap. You get 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3.
I mean that you know that.
What has to be broken to be useful?
What has to be broken to be useful? What has to be broken to be useful? What has to be broken to be useful? What has to be broken to be useful? So it has to be broken to be useful.
Yeah. Egg. What has to be broken to be useful? Egg. 2 out of 3, bro. 2 out of 3, bro. Jano, bro. You're this close, bro. Yo, shout out the social again.
Kishian Rocks. Gram.
Bro. Big up yourself, you see it? Give me a subscribe. Duttyboiilee. What has to be broken to be useful?
Egg. So give me 5 bills now?
No, sir, no 5 bills a question. 3 questions, I get 5 grand. Me not give you 5 bills. No, no win nothing. And next time. Let you auntie.
Excuse me. Right now we national anthem. National people. My dear.
Oh, we are Arab.
You Arab me?
We are Arab.
Jano, me have to run away.
I'm ready now.
And next time. Tomorrow again. Half a 3, I be a bright people there half a 3. But nobody no get 3 out of 3, everybody I get 2 out of 3. Half a 3 you don't need to come back again, you need to come better than this. Come on now. You know I win the 10 grand, 10 grand me I give you in a place now. Come on now man. Do better than that man, do better than that. The first episode for season 2, bang it, shell. Everybody I give me a good energy. I feel like say, I just want to go next. Down a town, no. We are going down a town next. We are going down a town. Tomorrow we are going down a town. Watch your style. I want everybody like, share, subscribe. Follow me up on the TikTok. Follow me up on the what is it? The Instagram. Follow me up on the Instagram, Facebook, Duttyboiilee. Same name on all platforms. Want to share that video. Make it go viral. Watch your style. I gone.